small. Saute it for a few minutes. Ginger and garlic paste 1 tsp. Chopped green chili 1 tsp. Saute it for a few seconds. Tomato 1 medium. Coriander powder 1 tsp. Cumin powder a half tsp. Salt a quarter tsp. Water a quarter cup. Cover and cook it on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Turai sliced 1 cup. Water a quarter cup. Cover and cook it on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken powder a quarter tsp. Cook it on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. It's ready for Mr. Munchkin. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel.